Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, magkakaroon natin ng mga quick video. So this is the CWS new music video which like that. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to update on my every upload. So let's get started. So my bias is Duhon, Shinryu. Whoa, the face card never declined, guys. So comment down below is your bias. Ah, my God. Juan! I don't know why I'm blushing, but I love this group. Whoa! Wow, Kyungmin. You. And you can join to this trend, guys, and use the hashtag of WS. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! The face card never declined. That's my bias. And also, that's my bias. Yeah, lekker. Oh my God. Oh my God. Siya ba yung thumbnail natin? Siya na yung thumbnail natin siya, guys. Oh my God. My bias lekker is Hanjin. And, yeah. Pero grabe din kasi yung face card ni Shin at ni Dohon. The face card are so insane. Like, you know, guys. The pillow. Wow. Guys, comment down below is your bias in TWS. Music video in cafe, but hindi siya pwede kasi yung sa second floor hindi siya naka-open. Oh my God, grabe din yung mga music nila. Ang gaganda, diba? Like, from head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Diba? Like, wow. And also, ang ganda, parang ang linis ng music video nila kasi pure white. That's my favorite part nung Oh, diba? So cute. Whoa. Think about you ata. Wait, my favorite is this part. The transition and oh my God. Specs. Oh, I know that this is the end of our video, guys, kasi napanood ko na to kanina. So, this is enough for just don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to update my every so, because I love you all.